You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly in English. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciation, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. There are two slightly different ways of pronouncing it, and probably even more depending on the local accent, but let's go through the British English and American English pronunciation. In the UK, British English pronunciation is as also. Also. Stress on the first syllable. Also. In the US, the American English pronunciation is a little more as also. Also. So, also, British English versus also American English. Can you hear the slight difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.